Hello. Today, I will introduce to you a shotgun produced by our factory. 25c-9 excavator. Our excavator comes standard with chassis telescopic function. The narrowest chassis is 1 meter or 9. The widest is 1.41 meters. Our C-9 excavator. The largest digging depth can reach 2.5 meters. The largest one can reach 4 meters in height. At the same time, this car comes standard with a big arm side swing function. Work without dead ends. What about this car? It is carrying a car imported from the UK. Fuel efficient, durable, and easy to open. At the same time, this car comes standard with a plug pump. What about the cooperation between the plug pump and the pressure line to the handle? It is more silky, smooth, and flexible to operate. Our car is suitable for landscaping. The house is broken, personal rental, and other working conditions. Is there a boss who needs this car? You can find out.